popular during the pandemic. It was one of the fastest growing apps of all time. And I was working there as one of the first data scientists. So my job was to figure out like why do people even use this? What is working? What's not working? How can we try to learn from that and get better at it? And while we were working on Clubhouse, November of 2022, ChatGPT came out and it became the most popular topic across every single language all over the world. Everyone was talking about it. And I was talking to people on the app and I was just like, "Oh, how are you using it?" And you just get so many different use cases. And like there were farmers from India that were using it for crop cycle planning. There's just like musicians using it to study music theory. There's all these different applications of general intelligence. And for me, it was like, oh my God, this is like a new computer. Like this is like 100 years early. Like I didn't imagine we would see this in our lifetime that like the computer could speak every language and also write every programming language. And this was GPT 3.5, right? So initial chat GPT launch. And then in March 14th, 2023, GPT-4 came out. And one of my friends on the app, we used to be programmers. We were just programming, chatbots, trying to figure out how to make the language model useful. And one of my friends, he programs every single day and just makes projects and then teaches people. His name is Echo Hive. He's on YouTube. He has a great, successful YouTube channel now and a Patreon. But he was saying, Parth, you got to be using GPT-4 because this is better than many of the engineers that we know. And you can just ask it to teach you how to program and you can make more interesting things. And in my career, I had been avoiding programming because I was more of a data analyst, data scientist. So I was using SQL, I used Python, but not a full stack engineer at the time. And then, so then I said, okay, I'll give it a shot. So I sit down with GPT-4 on a Sunday and I say, teach me how to clone my voice. And then it just writes the program, right? It writes the program. It uses an open source library, Tortoise text to speech. And then 1 hour later, I was like, oh, teach me how to run this program. Then 1 hour later, it's on my computer. I have a program that sounds like me. And then I was like, wow, this is only 1 hour? Like this,